In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom border for your Google Slides presentation in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. So go ahead and type in your email, followed by your password, and click Next to proceed. This will take you right into your Google Drive, where you can access all your saved files, and most importantly for us today, Google Slides. Now, find the presentation you want to add a border to, or create a new one if you haven't already. With your Google Slides presentation open, let's jump straight into the fun part, creating our border. To get started, click on Insert at the top menu. This opens up a plethora of options, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on Shape. Hover over it and you'll see another list, then proceed to click on Shapes to open up the Shapes library. From the array of shapes available, we're looking for the rectangle. Click on it to select it. Now you're ready to draw your border. Click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle across the desired area of your slide where you want the border to be. This rectangle will act as our border outline. Once you've drawn the rectangle, it's time to modify its appearance to actually make it look like a border. First off, let's remove the fill color to make the inside of the rectangle transparent. With the rectangle still selected, click on Fill, then choose Transparent. This will make the inside of your rectangle clear, leaving only the outline visible. Next up, we need to customize the border itself. Again, ensure your rectangle is still selected. Look for the border option. This is where we can add some color to our border. Click on it and you'll see options for changing the border's color, weight, and style. For now, let's focus on choosing the color for our border. Select the color you want from the palette. This will change the color of your rectangle's outline, effectively giving you a nice colored border around your slide. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom border to your Google Slides presentation. Feel free to play around with the thickness and style of your border through the border weight and border dash options for a look that matches your presentation's theme perfectly. Remember, the beauty of Google Slides lies in its flexibility, allowing you to get creative with your designs. Experiment with different shapes and colors until you find the perfect combination that represents the aura of your presentation. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now equipped with the knowledge to spice up your Google Slides presentations with beautiful custom borders. Happy designing!